Om Shri Sai Ram, my loving pranams and the divine lotus feet of my mother and master, Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba. This year in Sanjay Sai abode, Oman, we are just kept this Kolu and the theme is Bhakti to Mukti. Here down in the first row, we have got Jyotirlingam, where Lord Shiva is depicted in different forms. So when we are born, we have life inside, and that life is auspiciousness, and that is what the Shiva is. So from the birth, when we are Shivam, we need to develop bhakti, which helps us to attain mukti when we leave this world, and the body, which is Shivam, becomes Shavam when the soul leaves the body. So the liberation can be attained when we develop bhakti in due course of time. The first thing, for Shivam is the consciousness I. I consciousness should be there, but I, that ego should not be there. So we should develop not I-ness, but the surrendering thing should be there. And the second step, one must cultivate we. The 12 Alvars who have propagated Vaishnavism, they all were always thinking about the world and the universe, and they prayed for the general well-being, samasta jiva sukhino bhavanti. So from I, one has to go to we. And in the third step, we see Krishna Avatar, Kamsavadam, and Bhishma Pitamaha sleeping in the bed of arrows. So Kamsavadam happened because he developed so much of ego, and he killed more than 7 children of his own sister's children. And Krishna came to foster dharma. So one should not, cultivate ego. We need to just check ourselves at every stage so that, we develop that humanness. And once we develop humanness, and once we just surrender ourselves at the divine lotus feet, for Arjuna, God became the charioteer. So he will go to any extent to protect his devotees. And all the Pancha Pandavas, they were always working towards dharma, and they wanted to work only for dharma, nothing else. So God was with them. When dharma is there, God stays with you. And Bhishma Pitamaha, who was just with Gaurava Sena, in the bed of arrows, 54 days he was just sleeping, and at that time he was just telling Vishnu Sahasranama. So this is, when he said, while he was in Gaurava Sena, he had their food. So that salt was there. So in the bed of arrows for 54 days, the impurity of his blood went away. So that is how he could think something different. And Vishnu Sahasranama came. So once we shut the ego, God comes and helps us. And fourth is love. So for love, God's love is something supreme. So Krishna's love, Gopika's love is something, it is Anuraga Bhakti. So that we can see in the fourth step. Love of his devotees, Krishna just killed, Kalinga snake, and saved all the Gopikas and Gopalas. And for the love of his devotees, we lifted Govardhana Giri and became Govardhana Giridhari. And Anuraga Bhakti is what all the Gopikas had towards Krishna, because every atom of their body was thinking only about Lord Krishna. Then the 1, 2, 3, fourth one is love. So love is, again Krishna Avatar. In so many ways the love is depicted, and everybody feels that, when the problem comes, why I am getting into problem, why this is happening to me, why God is not taking care of me. All these questions come to the devotees. And in Avatar, being an Avatar, Krishna was not able to take his own mother's milk. He was separated from his mother. He had to go to somebody's house, like in Yashoda and Nandagopan's house, and be raised. His own uncle was the person, who was against, Krishna. So with all that, because of the love to protect Krishna, Vasudeva was carrying him and kept him. And love of his devotees, this Shakadasura came, and Krishna just did Martanam of Shakadasura. And Budana wanted to give him milk and poison, but God is something supreme. So at every point of time, his love won over many battles. So that we could see in the fifth one is really 5-letter word serve. And service means it is Dasya Bhakti. Nobody can be shown for Dasya Bhakti except Hanuman. Hanuman has given himself, because he was always happy to call himself as Ramadasa. So Dasana Ramadasan, like that only Hanuman introduces himself to everybody. And all the Vanara Sena were doing so much service. And Lakshmana did service to his brother by always being with him and helping him to do many things. So that is depicted in the fifth one. And in the sixth, sixth step we can see Sita in Ashokavan and Ravana's place, and all the monkeys helping Rama and Lakshmana to make that bridge between Rameshwaram and Lanka. So there we could see, small rumor why Surpanaka made Ravana to take such a big step, and finally he lost himself. So the thing is, avoid the 6-letter word rumor so that all are happy. So that is what we see in the sixth one. And seventh step, we can see Rama crossing the thing with Guha's help, and then Jadayu Maranam, Sabari Moksham, and all the Vanara Senas trying to help Rama. So that is, success. Since Guha had so much of love for God, and he succeeded in helping the Lord to cross. And when Rama asked him, what should I give you? He said, you are helping everybody to cross the samsara of life. What I can take from you, you only help me to cross my samsara. Like that he said. And Shabari, she was just waiting for Lord. She used to taste all the fruit and then keep the good ones to her Lord. So she gave. That is when you are only thinking about him, when you are offering yourself to him, he will say to it that, whatever you think becomes successful. So that is there. And next step is, we have Rama's birth, and then Karadusha Maranam, Sita Kalyanam, all those things we have. That is, in that main thing what we get is during Kaladushana Marnam and Surpanaka's lust over Rama and Lakshmana, she was feeling jealous about Sita's beauty, and jealous about Rama and Lakshmana's that manliness, so many things. So one should not feel jealousy of anything. Whatever is bound to happen, whatever one has to get, will definitely get it. So that is what we see in that. And we have Devi, all Trinity Devis and Andal, Hayagriva, all those gods are there. That is knowledge. So because Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara and Durga Lakshmi Saraswati, they are Guru. Ultimate Guru is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. That is why we always chant Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara. So Guru is ultimate. Guru helps us to cross the ocean of samsara. So once we have found our Guru, we should not leave our Guru. We should just catch hold of him and follow. Hearing Guru is one thing, and putting into practice what the Guru says is another thing, and only doing what the Guru says is the ultimate thing. So for that, the thought, word and action has to be good. So that is what is known as Vikarma Shuddhi, where unity of thought, word and action takes place. So what the mind says, the heart follows and the hand does. So everybody should, like, when our mind says something and when our heart is doing some other thing, we are not aligned. So we go into the wrong way. We have our own problem. But when we are listening to our heart and mind and we surpass it through the hand, we get peace. So that is what is, and then the last step, 10th one, we have Vishwarupa Darshanam, Ranganatha, Srinivasa and Parthasarathi. So once we have the confidence in the God that it is 10 letter word, confidence in the Lord that He is there, whatever He is giving, whether it is pain or pleasure, dukkam or sukham, everything is for our own betterment. So we should never, when we are having happy time, we never ask why you are giving happiness to me. So we have no right to ask why you are giving dukkha to me also. Because everything is His prasadam. And always only the people who give us trouble, they are helping us to go closer to God. And the things, like that we are facing, it is helping us to become a better person. So everything, everything is an experience, and every experience teaches us a lesson, and every lesson helps us to evolve for a better. So it is like involving ourselves and evolving as a better human being is what is important. And we are all, born as human beings. But as our Bhagavan, Sanjay Sai Baba said, we are born as human beings, but we forgot to be being human. So being human is important, not born as human being. Being human is important. For that, we need to love everyone, serve everyone, help all and hurt never. And even if anybody is hurting us, slowly, we can just think about God and see God in them and forget. This way, even we are growing, because keeping our anger, jealousy and other things, we cannot grow. Our ultimate aim is to reach God. To reach God, we have to just, dedicate ourselves and surrender everything at His lotus feet. Then our life is full of hope. With God, we have endless hope. Without God, we have hopeless end. So let us have full of hope, and that is what is, bhakti to mukti. Everybody should get liberation from negativity. That is what is liberation means. Not only liberation from negativity and liberation from badness and go into goodness. This is what it is. And may all be happy in this world. May all be peaceful. May all be joyful. Samasta jiva sukhino bhavantu. Samasta jiva sukhino bhavantu. Samasta jiva sukhino bhavantu. Dedicate everything at the divine lotus feet of my master. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, Baba, for all your guidance and